Assalamualaikum class. Today's lecture is about the short question answer concepts related to sources of economic system in Islam as a social welfare state. So the first concept is zakat, as we have already learned about that zakat is deducted as a source from financial institution, and it is forwarded to the central zakat fund. So zakat is an important part of Islam. So it is a kind of you can say tax-like mechanism to distribute the wealth to the poor, and zakat, as far as the amount is concerned, so zakat counts for a person as 2.5% of his wealth and savings which have remained constant for 1 year. And it is based on taking a portion. The concept of zakat is based on taking a portion of the wealth from rich and giving it to the poor and deserving, or you can say underprivileged people. So zakat is basically obligatory on 7.5 tola gold and 52 tola chandi, and it is a kind of fund that is used to develop the resources with the project and to eradicate poverty or other social problems. Another concept is Baitul Mal. It is an Arabic terminology which means house of money, or you can say the house of wealth. And it's a financial institution that is responsible for the administration of taxes in Islam. And the main objectives are to protect the purchase power and power of money, and to increase its quality. Um, or you can say Baitul Mal is important to prevent from poverty and seeking assistance for others, and to improve one's income for the sake of acquiring education or other needs, or to improve one's you can say personality according to Islamic rules. And another objective of Baitul Mal is to improve economic conditions and to fulfill the requirement of poor and other people. Next concept is waqf. The legal meaning of waqf according to Islam is devotion of profit or products in charity to poor. Waqf means the permanent dedication by a Muslim of any property for any purpose recognized by the Muslim law and tradition. So one can trust institutions, or one can trust funds to hospitals, or to other organization, and you can say for schools and religious institutions and so on. Next concept is Sadqa and Khirat. So these are the properties which the rich voluntarily give for the sake of charity, and Islam approves and encourages Sadqa and Khirat, and it may be taken in the form of good deeds, or it may be in the form of good words or good sayings to others, or it may also be given in the form of donations, in the form of money to society and organizations like hospital, trust hospitals, mental hospitals, or you can say schools and old age homes, orphanage homes, rehabilitation centers like drug rehabilitation center, for example. So one can give sadqa and kharat to these organizations which provide socio-economic services specifically. So Islam maintained that as long as the poor people are in the state, so the state should make it possible by all the means to comfort their lives. And okay, the next concept is Ushar. So this is another Islamic concept. Ushar is considered as a money on certain portion of agriculture. Most importantly, this is the concept that is considered as a money on certain portion of agriculture products like zakat. So the amount is the 1/10 of the total product, and its calculation is based on the relative ease or hardship of the field of the certain crop. So the major objective is the collection and distribution of ushur is to achieve economic equality and to enable the poor to stand on their own feet and to prevent concentration of wealth in few hands. Next concept is jizya. So jizya is a per capita yearly tax that is prescribed by Islamic states on certain non-Muslim subjects. So most importantly, jizya is a per capita yearly tax imposed by Islamic states on non-Muslim subjects permanently that are permanently residing in a Muslim state or society under Islamic laws. So Quran and the Ahadith has mentioned jizya but never specified its amount or rate. So this is all about the short concepts related to economic system or sources in Islam, or these concepts are important for short question answers, and you people can prepare this for MCQs as well. So this is all for today.